Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and yes, we're still protective styling over here, and I'm super excited to share with you guys this unit by Asteria Hair, which is a V-part water wave wig. Okay, I'm feeling really water wavy. So I believe this is my first time trying Asteria Hair. It came with a wig sleeve, some cute lashes that are kind of long. Maybe I'll try them. And it came with an HD wig cap with this V-part wig. Also, an adjustable strap to unhook and hook into the wig, a melting edge band, which is always useful if you're a wig lace wearer, and it also had adjustable straps with that, which is useful, and it came with an edge brush. So I did wash and condition the hair using a Beta Nutriplenish line, the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in conditioning spray. Detangled and then use my Cream of Nature mousse. That's my favorite to use on curly units. So this is a 24-inch water wave V-part wig, and I highly suggest you always wash and condition your wigs prior to wearing them, because this one did have a bit of a chemical-like smell for me that I had to wash out. But once I washed it, it was all good. The texture came out beautiful once air dried, and it's really nice and shiny and soft, and I didn't have any shedding. Other than the chemical smell, everything was good. I just always get the better results when I always wash and condition my wigs prior to wearing. It just styles a lot better. This V part, I feel like I get a lot of parting space as far as length goes, and there are 5 clips around the V part opening. In the cap construction, there are 2 clips on the side and 1 at the nape also. So around the V part, there are these clipping clips that are really like secure clips. So I would highly suggest you braid your hair down when you do and wear this unit for some extra protection of your hair underneath. There also is an adjustable strap in the back along with a comb at the nape. I usually don't use the combs. And also there is a human hair tag inside of the wig here. And for extra security, there is an adjustable elastic band where you can unhook and adjust to your likeness of how tight or how loose you would like it. So that's something new that I have never seen in a wig that I've reviewed this year. This must be something new they got going on in the wig world. For my leave out, I am going to do a flat twist. So I first moisturized and sealed my hair and then proceeded to flat twist my hair in a really thin leave out, because I am on a hair journey to healthier hair and I don't want to have a large leave out with manipulation. So I just kind of let that set overnight, and then the next day I'll remove it to match, the texture of the V-part wig when I put it on. So these are my plaits in the back as well for protective styling. So I am going to adjust the straps a bit and see how this fits on my head, because I had to do a lot of adjusting. So I quickly learned that adjustable strap wasn't for me. So I had to take this off and completely remove that because it was just so uncomfortable for me. So I'm glad that I'm able to actually remove that and have that as an option with this unit and not it being sewn on. But what I did realize is that the hair tag is covering the slots for the adjustable straps in the back. So I'm limited to like 2 straps to tighten the wig at the nape area. So I learned also that this wig was a bit too big for me and I had to do some adjustments to make this wig work. So I'm going to have to cut off some of the front of the wig just so it won't show. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece of this unit off right in front of the clips begin. So I'm just taking my time and voila, it's much better and it's fitting a little bit better. I really wish I could cut a bit more off, but I may do that another day because that would require me removing some of the clips from the V-part area. But overall, I'm happy with the adjustment that I did make because I do have a smaller head, so I needed it to lay really nice and comfortable on me. So with my flat twist, I'm going to go ahead and unravel that and remove the flat twist. And I like that I did the flat twist to kind of match the wave pattern of the unit. So let's go ahead and unravel this. And I have a lot of new growth, y'all. But this V-part wig is laying really nice and flat. So I'm excited to see what it's going to give. So I removed the flat twist. And I really wish I could have cut that extra piece off, but I just couldn't. It wasn't any more room. So I just did a center part because this is low manipulation since I am about 10 weeks post relaxer right now. So I'm making sure I'm really gentle with my hair to blend in the small amount of leave out with the unit. And as you can see, my new growth is definitely new growthing, and I will have some updates about that shortly for y'all. So I am going to take a soft brush and I am going to brush my hair into the wig just a little bit so it can lay a bit more flat with a more neater appearance. And as you can see, I do have some waves with my leave out, which is why I did the flat twist. The flat twist allowed the curls to start higher up on my hair so it can blend in with the wig. But this is how it's turning out, and I'm liking it so far. That is blending pretty well in with the wig, and I don't have to do too much. You can add additional product to get it to lay a bit more flat, but I wasn't keeping this wig on for a very long period of time, so I just decided to kind of like brush it in and be very, very gentle with my leave out. So as you can see, it's coming together a little bit, you know. I could have hit a hot comb to my roots, but I just don't do heat on my hair right now since I am in recovery mode. So this protective style is really useful for me personally, being that I am on a hair journey. So also with this hair, the more and more you fluff it out, the softer and softer it gets. Not saying that the hair isn't soft. It's just from the mousse, when it air dried, you can loosen up those waves to give more of a kind of like looser waved look versus the clumped look. And so far, it's really, really pretty. It is quite long on me because I am 4'11", and this is 24 inches in the water wave texture. And I do wish my V-part wig did fit a bit better on me because I prefer my V-part wigs to be a bit more snug and laid more flat to my head. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this unit will be down in the description below for you to check out. And as always, stick around my YouTube channel to watch more of my personality unit reviews here on my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.